everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing? We just wake up from in this part of the world it's morning. I think it's around 9 a.m. in the morning. Happy weekend. Today's Saturday. Today is Saturday. What are you doing on Saturday? Or Saturdays for cleaning. Or Saturdays for washing clothes. Or Saturdays whenever you clean your houses. For those that goes to work, those that do white collar job, on Saturdays the day they have chance to clean their homes, mop the ground. For those who for business people, most people today goes to work, some are home. So I keep doing your choices today. We say happy weekend. My have started. I just take my normal routine. I've taken my coffee for today. I've arranged my space where I slept. I've swept. But the next stage is the stage of cleaning. I want to clean. I want to clean inside of my house today because today is Saturday. You ought to be cleaning. If you are not sick, if you are strong, you're supposed to be cleaning. You're supposed to be washing your clothes. For me, I washed my clothes yesterday. I did my laundry yesterday. So today is cleaning. Let's get down. Let's get down to the cleaning part. First of all, bring my mop and so back to my cleaning. I'm cleaning. Let me put it here. I don't want to be seeing my back. I want you to be seeing what I'm doing. Yeah. You clean with your 2 hands. As you watch me go and start doing your chores. If you want your floor to dry well, you have to use your 2 hands to mop like this. Let's see how clean it is. But it's not that dirty though. It's not a dirty though. Because I thought I've cleaned twice, 3 times this week. I'm cleaning my little too. I've cleaned. I've cleaned the next 2 minutes. It will dry. I'm cleaning the passage. There's a way my house is. It's like sorry, sorry for this breaking transmission. That's how my my flat is. Can you see? So I just finished cleaning my room. I want to clean the kitchen. The kitchen. I think I'm boiling some cholesterol from my tummy now. But I've not eaten. I just took tea. Okay, let's get down. Today is Saturday. Saturday is meant for cleaning, washing, doing your laundry today. That's how it ought to be if you have the time and chance. Yeah, I'm clean. I'm doing my chalice. La, la, la. We clean, we'll wash, we clean, clean, clean. Oh, oh. My kitchen is sparkling clean. It's sparkling clean. My kitchen is sparkling clean. I'm removing the deck. Alright. Thanks for watching. How I clean my little space. Guess you guys are doing the same. Guess you guys are cleaning your spaces. Saturdays for cleaning. Saturdays for this sanitation is some part of the world. In part of this world, Saturday is for going to market to prepare for the week. For those that normally buy weekly items, food items. Saturday is for chores. So remember you clean your home because every other days is a working day. You don't have much time. Join me all through today. What I do today. Guess you guys are doing the same. try as much try as much as possible to clean your little space, irrespective of where you're staying. Does not really matters. If you can clean that one room, you can clean the mansion. Bye.